Hello everybody, today in this video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial about how to hack gold and gems in hill climb racing. So yeah, before we start the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, because most of you are not subscribed yet, like 65%, I don't know, are not subscribed and the rest are subscribed. So yeah, in this video I'm gonna hack. First thing I'm gonna hack is gold. So let me search for gold. I have 6,080 820 first scan. I got 7 results. So let me start. And in the next video I'm gonna hack fuel and the distance right here. So as you see, I got a value changed, and the value is right here, as you see, 6,925. As you see, the value, the previous value, if I expand this, the previous value was 6,820. As you see, the value becomes to change it to 6,925. 925. So yeah, as you see, if I expand this, I'm gonna make sure that it's the right value or not. So I'm gonna add zeros. So let's see if the value changed or not. As you see, I have I have 69 million 69 million money, as you see. So yeah, I'm gonna try to hack gems right here. So yeah, let's search for 4. New scan, first scan. I got a lot of results. So let me get more gems. Oh, I have a gems right here. So yeah, and don't die. No. Okay. 5. Next scan. Okay, I don't know which value it's the right, it's the correct value. So let's resume and let me start over. Okay, so let's start again and let's see if the value changed or not. Okay, the value becomes 6. Let's search for 6. Here we go. Here we have 6. Let's make it here. Then let me change the value to 600 million. I don't know. So, and let's resume. And let me get another gems. And here we go. Here are our gems. As you see, the value becomes in mines because I changed the value to a big value or a massive value. So if I remove 2 or 4 numbers, I'm gonna get my gems back. So yeah, let's resume. Then let me collect another gems. So as you see, okay, here we go. As you see, I have 41 million gems. Okay, and let's exit. As you see, if I upgrade my my car parts, as you see, this, the money is infinite. So you can upgrade and buy a bunch of vehicles and stages. So yeah, no, I don't want ads. Let me buy the most expensive car in this game, which is oh, fuck ads. I don't need ads. The ads ruin my day. Close the ad. Then, let's go to the vehicles and let's buy a bunch of vehicles. Let me buy the most expensive vehicle. 1.2 million, 1.5 million. I think the most expensive car is 2.2 million. Okay, let me search for another one. Yeah, here we go. Buy this. Okay, I got it. let me buy the most expensive stage. No, which stage is the most expensive? 1.5 million. 1.5. Let me buy. Okay, let me buy this. 1.5, and let me start. What is that? I think I'm in the sky. This is the first time I see this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's exit. And if you want me to hack the fuels, just like the video, and yeah, I'm gonna hack the fuel and the nitros. As you see, let me hack the nitros right now. Or no. Let it for another video. So yeah, this is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that I was helpful for you. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Yeah,